What are the water supply techniques for structural firefighting? If you have ever wondered how firefighters manage to put out blazes in buildings, you are in for a treat. One of the key elements is the water supply techniques they use. Let's break down the methods that keep the water flowing during a fire emergency. First up is the hydrant-based supply. Fire hydrants are the most common source of water for firefighting. They are connected to the municipal water system and can deliver a steady flow of water, usually between 250 and 500 gallons per minute. In urban areas, hydrants are typically spaced about 1,500 feet apart, ensuring firefighters can access them quickly. Next, we have water tankers, also known as tenders. These are essential in rural areas where hydrants may not be available. Fire engines often relying on their onboard water tanks initially. However, for longer operations, tankers transport water to the scene. This requires careful coordination to ensure a continuous supply, as a single hand line can use up tank water in just a few minutes. Another technique is drafting. When hydrants or tankers are not an option, firefighters can draft water from static sources like ponds or swimming pools. This involves using a pump to create suction and draw water into the fire engine. Proper setup is critical to avoid air leaks and maintain efficiency. Relay pumping is another strategy used for fires located from water sources. In this method, multiple fire engines work together to pump water from the source to the fire scene. They connect hoses and engines to extend the reach of the water supply. This tactic requires precise timing and equipment to maintain pressure over long distances. For high-rise buildings or structures with limited access, firefighters use portable standpipes. These are connected to supply lines and allow water to be delivered directly to upper floors. High-rise hose packs and gated Ys help firefighters establish water streams quickly while waiting for a permanent supply. Calculating the minimum water supply is also vital. Standards like the National Fire Protection Association 1140 to provide guidelines for determining the necessary water storage based on building size, construction type, and occupancy hazards. This ensures that water supply systems are adequate for the fire risks in a given area. In the realm of high-risk professions, the techniques used in structural firefighting share similarities with jobs like logging or deep-sea fishing, where managing resources and responding quickly is essential. Just like storm chasers prepare for sudden changes, firefighters must anticipate water availability challenges and adapt their strategies accordingly. The physical demands of setting up water supply under hazardous conditions highlight the high-risk nature of firefighting. It requires skill, coordination, and readiness to face unpredictable scenarios. Understanding these water supply techniques is key to appreciating the hard work and training firefighters undergo.